Italy's rich manufacturing and craftsmanship heritage, often unknown to the general public, is the reason behind the success of Italian design. INFABBRICA researches and selects high-quality products made by the best artisans and small factories that work with passion and expertise, gathering them in an online space where they can be bought at fair prices. INFABBRICA promotes the quality of Made in Italy and limits the cost of traditional distribution by offering a direct link between producers and consumers. All this because INFABBRICA believes in the quality of Made in Italy, without the need for a trademark or for identifying itself with a specific brand. High-quality products relieve from marketing, branding, and ancillary costs. Your purchase will be conscious and unique. Together, we can enrich your daily life with high-quality products designed to last over time. INFABBRICA, Italian design from factory to you.